Hello, welcome to Student Drivers. Today we're doing something new to the Audi. As you can see, there's some tires in the back with some new wheels on it. I'll show you what they look like once they're installed. Oh, shit! I'll show you what they look like when they're installed. But yeah, we're just doing a few things to the Audi. I got quite a few cosmetic things coming in today. And we're gonna try to knock them out as quickly as possible because I don't have a lot of time today. But stay tuned. Watch the video, like, subscribe, do whatever the hell you want. I will talk to you soon. What's up, dude? Just chilling? Okay, you do you. Bye. All right, boys. We're going from that to that. We got some avant-garde M590s. These have a much more aggressive offset, so they're gonna have a nice concave look to them. Plus, yeah, I love these wheels. But these are for racing. They're not meant for the looks that I'm going for. So, yeah, take a look at them. I forgot how much I really hate working on my cars. Like, I need to pay somebody to do this. It's freaking 40 degrees outside. My freaking nose hairs are freaking frozen. Oh, better be worth it. All right, time for the best part. Let's see that fitment on these monster truck shocks. Oh my God, it's so bad. Maybe it needs to settle a little bit. Let me push this down with my ass a little bit. Oh my God, monster truck fitment. So needless to say, we're gonna go a little bit lower. It's so bad. Okay, on to the next. Ugh, not even halfway through and I'm ready to quit. Man, I don't know if that says more about me or just how much working on cars kind of sucks. So there's a shot of what's new. Looks pretty good. I mean, like I said, we're monster trucking, but this is the other side. I definitely prefer it over that. So, we are halfway done. My back hurts, I'm hungry, and I want a soda. Well, boys, we installed the wheels, and I gotta say, that looks pretty good. Well, yeah, it looks way better. I really like these wheels. These are actually like the dream set of wheels other than TE37s, which this car might get that in the future. I just don't feel like shelling out $4 or $5 grand right now. So, yeah, we'll show you what it looks like outside in the light, but man, like, oh, I love all of them. So these wheels are probably gonna go up for sale. I don't really have a need for them, and I don't really have a place to store them. I was thinking about maybe putting drag slicks on them and then running them at the track. Still haven't really decided on that, but I really don't have much of a use for them. They're very rare wheels. If anybody wants them, they're 19 by 9.5 OZ Racing HLT, not to be confused with OZ Rally from the Lancer, which is shit. These are actually legit Italian racing wheels, so I might have a buyer for them already, but yeah, who knows? If anybody's interested in them, I'll probably post them up. Shoot me some offers if you're interested. Okay, cool. Definitely monster trucking. Yeah, this needs more low for sure. Still looks way better in my opinion. Got something coming for the back too. Definitely need some springs or bags. I want bags. All right, guys, one thing I wanted to mention. Oh, sorry. One thing that I've noticed so far is because the wheels are so much heavier and they're actually wider, you can actually feel quite a difference in the car. I don't even know how to explain it. The lighter wheel felt a little bit more, I guess, responsive. This feels a little bit like you feel the weight a little bit more. But like I said, I'm going for looks. I wasn't necessarily going for performance anyways. The car looks way better. And I got a couple carbon bits coming in today that I'll go ahead and shoot too. But yeah, I dig it. This is more my style. 600 wheel horsepower is also my style, but we'll have to make do with the 400 we have now. I also added a little burble tune. If anybody saw my Instagram, let's see. It's kind of funny. But yeah, I'll be posting more on the car today. I'm gonna kind of end the wheel stuff right here. I'm gonna do a little montage of what the car looks like now, after we get the carbon fiber rear diffuser lip thing that I bought.